Novesight N37H4 color 6500K. High and low. Tapos ito yung ballast. Yung build material niya parang titanium na parang alloy. Color dark gray. Install natin sa Ion 2015. Hyundai Ion 2015. Check natin yung before and after. Ito yung papalitan natin, guys. High beam, low beam. High beam, low beam. Ano yung natin? Standard, medium.
Standard medium.
Current tint natin ay standard medium black. Tapos yung headlight ay stock bulb. Check natin yung before and after. High beam motor. Open. Just to compare, guys, parang magkasing sukat lang. Ito yung bulb na currently naka-installed. Tapos ito yung ipapalit natin. I hope mag-fit yung cover niya sa cowl once na-install namin yung Novesight. Before nyo i-install, check nyo muna yung high beam tsaka low beam. Okay, ito yung gagawin na namin. Check namin yung high beam and low beam before namin install. Sige daw, low beam, girl. Low beam, high beam. Testing. Low beam. High beam ito. Ha? Low beam. Sige daw, high beam daw. High beam, sige. Unfortunately, baliktad po. Parang girl, parang. I hope high beam and low beam na yung output. Low beam, high beam. Wow. Okay. And sa tingin namin, mag-fit yung cover niya sa cowl. Okay, testing. Successfully changed the stock headlight, low beam and high beam. Yun. Low beam, high beam. Low beam, High beam. Low beam.